Alright, so this is my first AR pistol build. This is the first shot, bringing it out to the range, making sure that she tests it. Not quite zeroing in or anything at this point. I just wanted to run a lot of rounds through it and just see how she goes. So, just doing 223 Tula to begin with.
So we know what we got going on here.
Here we go.
Just gonna
being a little timid here on the first shots. Didn't quite have the best advice for tightening the barrel. So, hey, I'm sure you guys would do it too.
a little bit of flash. A couple of bullseyes actually.
I just wanted to make sure she worked and cycled through everything fine. I'm going to bench rest it and do all that probably today. And that SIG brace keeps kind of pushing up on my Air Pro. A little bit annoying, but no big deal. As you can see with that adapter from CAC Industries, pretty much got almost the same length of pull as about probably 1 click from being fully extended on a mil-spec buffer tube.
It's a little warm.
Heat test there.
Extendo. Man, there's some concussion there. I might need to rethink this brake.
Tell you what, guys, thing looks awesome, doesn't it? It almost looks like the MPX. I know my friend Digital is pretty psyched that I went with the Utah rail. It is the USA, made in the USA Pro one. Way thinner than the, or narrower than the Alpha rail. But I'll be doing a after action report video soon. Talk about the whole build.
Not bad for my first build. Let's go take a look at the target. She's a little warm. And that was all steel case. Gotta fucking love it. Have to bench rest it and see what's up. Cooking that rail is. Well, that full auto bolt carrier is working out from Aries. She has got some serious flash. Huh, guys?
Well, it's just the standard Yankee Hill machine. Their $29 muzzle brake, which I have on my other AR. As you can see, it works excellent. But I'm going to have to do some flash consideration because she is lighting the whole place up. But look how controllable it is. And this thing's coming in with a full mag and the optic on there. 7 pounds, 13 ounces. Yeah, a solid 2 pounds lighter than my go-to AR.
These are also using those Strike Industries +2 plates. They're also supposed to be bipod friendly, like that.
So I'm going to Duracoat this bitch up and put the Magpul, the new QD swivel release instead of the ASAP. That way I make G-Webs happy. And it should make it look good. I hate a gun that's mismatched colors like it is right now. But I can't tell you, boy, I'm really happy. She's super, super light. And it's a 223 Wild Chamber, 1/8 twist, 10.5. I'm gonna do a whole video, go over it.
Yeah, so I was aiming at the upper right, like the 130 position. So we'll have to dial it in. Not too fucking snabby though. Anyway, guys, so glad I went 10.5 because boy, with that flash and the heat, again, number one, 0 issues with steel. Come on, guys, it's awesome. I like to do some bench resting and stuff. This is just function chest, but man, I can't imagine going any shorter. I mean, 7.5. I mean, yeah, screw that. That'd be just downright unfreaking comfortable. But anyway, 0 malfunction with steel case. I'll take it. Nice, nice, nice. And so far so good. Happy, happy.